Saturday, nice little Saturday review here. Watching some replays. So, no, yeah, highlighted some areas to replay the intraday where there was potential setup. So let's dive into the first one. See a little bit context. Pre-market, overnight and RTH open been chopping between these 86. Overnight high 89, and was basically watching this 78 to hold. If we come back, retest it. Don't worry about these boxes. Don't really matter in my opinion. Let's watch it. Let's plan to buy it. Let's see what happened here. 74 to sell. So let's try it again. Still rebidding these guys. Still rebidding these 80s. 78 holding. Right. Try it here. Or I could have waited for that push down. Buyers buying it. 84. Barely any volume though. It's like tape is like so jumpy too. It's like really hard to get an entry, like a good entry. Yeah, straight basically. It's a nice trade, and I'm pretty sure we pull back to it, kinda. But yeah, once we saw that selling into 80, 74 to sell, bounce up, another sell, and then instantly bounce up, still holding these 80s. That was a long. You see that aggression from seller instantly bit back up buyer. Now let's watch this 943.51, 943.51. Let's see, we're still in that trade. Say we cancel, flat it. Okay. 100 to sell. See we see anything. Strong sellers though. Yeah, 89.90, 89.90. A bit of these 90s gonna be good. Not holding it. Want to see these 90 to hold. Okay, another sell. Barely any volume. Not really interested in it. Okay. Buyers came back in. Holding it. Try it. And don't really like the setup, to be honest. Don't really like the setup. Thought it was a nice little pullback, but nothing really happened. This trade I took here. A little bit of context before I dive into this setup here. Just been buying, buying, buying. You see all these strong buying. Like kind of like a lot of buying, but just like a weak move for that amount of buying. Like a slow stair step up, right? And yeah, not really any sellers at all. And then this is the first time I see strong selling came in instantly strong 197, 100 to sell. So I'm definitely watching these guys somewhere here if we pull back into it. So let's watch this 1009, 100901, where we retest those 40s. Okay, some buying. Nice little push up there, and then never really tested it. So I'm like, okay, these 38 to 40 is interesting. So, and then after that, we did push back down, came back up on these Let's see, 11, 10, 11.52. 10, 11.52. I took this trade here, but poor execution in my opinion. Let's see, what can I do better here? 40 to buy, 30, 40 to buy 40. Strong break fail. Strong break, right? It was a nice little high there. I was like, potentially might get a fake out on those 39.75. Broke above 40. Strong buy, 39 to buy, 16 to buy, 24 to buy, 22 to buy at high. And right, just strong buying, come back down. These 38, seller step in, took a short right there. Stop loss could be like 9 point, 8 point, depend. Stop loss could right there, could be right there. Barely any volume, so not worried. Okay, buying coming in. 27 to buy, instantly reoffered back down. Sellers literally step in, not worried at all at this point, right? So not worried. Scale probably at overnight high. Been seeing buying here, but yeah, that was a nice trade. This trade was basically first time seeing sellers came in, pull back up to 40s, like these 100 selling, like 100 lot sellers here, retesting it, push up to 39.75. Nice little volume there, kind of thing, like finish auction, as you could say, but didn't really provide any like actual setup, but it was a potential area if we come back into it, which brings it to my entry criteria, which is if you see something you like and you're not too sure, like you think there's a seller there, you're not too sure, you want more confirmation, wait for it to push down, whatever it is, come back up, test it. It's either we re-offer here, like stall and re-offer, never test these 40, or I want to see a break of that previous high, which is 39.75. Broke it, we broke it. 39 to buy at 40, 16 to buy, 24 to buy, 15 to buy, 22 to buy, and then instantly drop back down. See sellers step in there around these 37s. So yeah, it's a trade. Then the last push up, last few from buyer was basically push up, instantly got seller step in. So yeah, basically not too worried about this trade. Anywhere between these 6 point, 7 point stop losses, chill basically. Yeah. So like, not bad. Fought the trade. Okay, so that's done. And the next setup here was basically not sure if there's any setup here, but let's watch these 25. Watch these 25, 20. See what happened here. Take these off real quick. So basically like a first test of VWAP fail. And remember previously we had buyers here, or trap sells. Coming back down here again. Okay, broke the low, pretty strong selling, instantly bounce up. But I really don't see. Okay, that's a nice kick down right there. Do we hold it? I want to see sellers trying and buyers just buying it. 41 to sell, 75, 74, 75. Basically long here, but bids are not holding. Want these 75 to reclaim it. Nice. Broke new low. pushed up, we're selling. 74 still rebidding it. Guess you could say go long here, but just not my style playing it. Right, just not my style playing it. Come back here and watch the other pullback, last pullback here. 10, 27, 52, 10, 27, 53, 52. Okay, remember 75, 74, 75. Really strong sell. Strong sell. Still holding it, want to see a rebid. 49 to sell at 72. We're selling. 77 to sell. Rebidding these guys or no? Chased it. That was a bad entry in my opinion. Yeah, really bad entry. Chased it on the push up, so 77 to sell. Yeah, it was a pretty bad entry in my opinion. Yeah. This is something I want to be like learning, avoiding. This is the entry here. Let's say. That was the entry right there. Just gotta wait for these selling and hold, like selling and hold it. Can't really be yeah, that was a bad that was a bad execution right there. Good idea, good concept, good context. I mean, yeah, context. Yeah, we instantly yes, I got fill there, but yeah, when I saw that selling coming in and then another 77 printed at these 70s, instantly pushed up, right? Saw that 70s, saw that 77, saw a 70, instantly push up. It's either you long the reclaim of 74, 75, or you wait for it to push up, come back down, and sellers tried it again, which it did around those, yeah, 75. 48 to sell, and a nice little taper there. That was a long, but this is what I've been doing. Well, this is what I've been doing wrong this week. Most of my mistake, execution-wise mistake, is see something happen, hesitate, and then when it push up, I long. Let's say there's a real, like, let's say this one, right? This trade right here. So saw this thing right here, break above it. Strong buying came in, fail. 38. Selling came in, could have been shorting right there, but no. I saw that 38. Saw that 38, 37, 38 selling. 37, 38 selling, and then 35, 34, 32, and then I chase it like when we're breaking down. I chase it all the way at the bottom at 31, and that should instantly bounce up. Wait for the retest, not too worried. But yeah, let's stop real quick. Okay. Yeah, that's something I really want to fix for sure. I don't think I want to review any of these trades like this one right here because this is something I've been trying to avoid. Is like these type of small little consolidation. Usually, like I'm so shit at trading these. Like I usually watch for these level break and then sweep and then long, right? But most of the time I just fail. Like statistic wise, like statistically saying, like I can't trade those bullshit. So let's just watch something else. Statistically wise, yeah, stuttering. Let's watch this 12, 21, 52. Pretty sure new high, yesterday high was 47, yeah. So let's watch it. See anything interesting? Buying. Nice impulse. See reoffer. Do we see reoffer or no? Okay. 62, 61s. Something I want to be avoiding is like don't want to just get in, want to see actual reoffer, rebid, you know. Want to see buyers try if it's reoffering. Yes, like most of the time this week, I just get in way too early on that impulse and I just get stopped out because it's just strong buying at the end of the day. And we're also testing the single prints. Yeah, some low volume on here. Yeah, something I want to be avoiding is like entering too soon, or you can see buyer just keep buying, keep stepping in. Okay, 24, 24, 32 to buy, failing, buying a fail. See, yep, buyer still trying, failing. Okay, like some at least some stalling, some reoffering here. Still failing, right? Nice delta in, that delta out as well. Trend's been down all day as well, so pretty good. But yeah, saw that impulse. Nice little impulse right there, right? Impulse, re, impulse. Don't want to just get in right away. Want to see confirmation, actual reoffer, which it did give me here. Push up, impulse 61, 62 reoffer. Pushed down a little bit, came back up, and buyers were was willing to buy it a little bit higher. Like they keep buying it higher until these 63. So buyer just kept buying it until 63. Like we kept making new highs. So I'm like, oh, okay. Oh, right there, another 65 to buy and instantly fail. Yeah, that's not a point. Um, it's just like basically buyers willing to buy higher. Buyer just kept bidding it higher until see that nice little consolidation, reoffer, fail. Like buyers keep trying, couldn't go higher, fail. That's a short. 60s come back up, 65 to print. See failing, nice. I see seller step in, right? Just dump this thing, which it did. But yeah, those were the setups for today, and I overtraded today. Even though I was green, I was just overtraded like a fuckhead, like a fucking crackhead. Yeah, GG's. No, 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 no. Sorry, not GG's. One more thing. So, something I want to focus on starting next week is um, when we're just chopping like this, when we're just chopping in these tight range, I don't want to be shorting in the middle of the range or longing in the middle of the range. That's the first thing I want to be avoiding. Second is, um, let's see where we can see any setup here. Mm, let's see if there's another setup for next other day. Yeah, right here. It could be sorry, it could be this one right here. I'll tuck this straight. Fucking stupid. Like when we're just chopping like candle hooking candles, chopping in this tight range, like small micro range, like micro like chop range, and then we break it, like we break either side, and then instantly push up, avoiding. No matter how good the setup is, I'm avoiding these like choppy range in the middle, and then a break of one side. Right, that's two things. So don't want to be shorting in the middle or long in the middle range. Want to avoid these choppy range. You can see these choppy range, these micro range, right? Want to avoid those as well. Lastly is execution wise. Don't I want to either way setup presents, like right here setup presents right here. Want to see either a reoffer or another break of new high and trap more buyers fail. So here we trap more buyers, came back down 37, like selling came in, that's a short. Yeah, don't want don't want to enter too soon or too don't want to enter too soon without confirmation or too late when I'm chasing. Want to wait for actual setup. But yeah, no, GG's.